Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to sign in NBA account on PC. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of the tutorials like this. NBA stands for National Basketball Association. To sign in NBA account, first open any web browser on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now, go to your search bar and type nba.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to NBA's official website. Now, here you can see sign in option at top right section of the website. Click on the sign in option, then click on sign in with NBA ID. With that, you'll be taken to sign in page. Now here you need to first enter your email address on the given box, then enter the correct password of your NBA account. After doing so, if you forgot your password and you are not able to log into your ID, then you can click on forgot password. With that, if you don't have a new NBA ID, then you can click on don't have an NBA ID. After entering your email and password, click on sign in. With that, you will be signed in to your NBA ID. This is how we can sign in NBA account on PC. As you can see here, my account has been logged in. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.